In this guide, you learn how to install and use the Cursor AI code editor on Windows 11 or Windows 10. To get started, launch your web browser and search for Cursor download. Then click on the first result from the official Cursor website. The site will automatically detect your operating system and switch the download option to Windows, so simply click the download button and save the installer file. Once the file has been downloaded, launch it. Now agree with the terms and condition of Cursor, click on Next. Select the folder where you want to download this. Click on Next. Once it has been installed, you can launch it. When you open Cursor for the first time, it may ask you to sign up or import settings from Visual Studio Code. Once inside the editor, you'll see panels for chat and AI agents. From the top menu, click File and select Open Folder to open your project directory. Just like in VS Code, this side panel allows you to manage files, open the terminal, and create new agents. You can use keyboard shortcuts such as Ctrl+B to toggle File Explorer, Ctrl+L to open the AI chat, and Ctrl+K for inline code generation. To try inline generation, open a file like appy.py, press Ctrl+K and enter your prompt and let Cursor generate or modify code directly in the editor. You can review the changes and click Keep to apply them. With that, Cursor AI code editor is fully set up and ready to use for AI-powered coding on Windows. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.